I've just rolled this out for my lid. In order for the fondant to stick to the chocolate, what do I need to do? I need to put something on the back, so I need to flip this over. I could either use a little bit of piping gel or this is shortening. I prefer the shortening. Piping gel can get a little sticky, a little slimy on you, and the fondant can actually, you know, just like I said, slide around, slip around a little bit more. The shortening, it tends to stick a lot better, a lot nicer. So pick this up, bring it over here, get all this out of the way, and I'll slide this under, flip this over, and smooth it out. See, there might be an air pocket in there, so lift this up, get that smoothed out before, look, can you kind of see that there? So instead of having to pick it with a little pin or toothpick, I can still try to get that air out this way. There we go. Smooth this down the sides, all this apart. And we'll need to trim it. I want to trim it and leave just a little bit, not quite a quarter of an inch, a little bit less mat around the edge. There's chocolate on here, so make sure you get that out before you roll your fondant back up. Now it might be easier to use a spatula to pick this up. Kind of flip it over just for a second and then fold this inside. Now what you could do, I'm not going to, if you think you want the inside of the lid to be colored silver, you could go ahead and paint this with a luster dust. It's going to be leaning up against the cake at the front though, so you're really not going to see the back side. So I wouldn't worry about it. That's kind of up to you. If it bothers you, then by all means go ahead and paint it. You know, or maybe it just depends how much the people pay for the cake, or you know, how much time you have. Whether it's for someone that you actually like, or you know, just you're just doing to feel obligated to do the cake, then you know, maybe then you don't want to paint it. All right, now I can go ahead and flip this back over, and it looks like I've got some chocolate here on top. So it wasn't too smart of me to roll that over on top of this chocolate, was it? But no worry, we can fix it. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. I'll just put it on this mat right here because it won't stick to that. Maybe put it on the cake board. We'll just set that aside for a few minutes.